I started my professional career as a site engineer and then as a consultant civil engineer, and now since last 15 years as a leading supplier of building material in Saurashtra and Kutch. In this journey, I experienced there is a wide range of products available in the market for any construction activity, and as a key person of any construction firm, it is very difficult to identify which product is best in terms of durability and cost project. Our team Fine strives to quote best product at economic price with excellent service to all our esteemed customers.
It is new office, new vibes. It is beautiful feeling to be the part of Team Fine. Here we have our own separate sitting space where we work very comfortably and with full enthusiasm and serve our customer better.
Being a Gen Z partner of this firm, I strive to make this business bigger and better by leveraging the technology. Recently, we digitalized customer feedback, customer relationship management, and the way in which we assign tasks to our team. We are looking forward to transform the way in which building materials are procured. The future is bright and we are super excited.